Hello, dear owners. I'm going to show you how to log in to the owner portal of Guess Wisely. This is our current software provider. It used to be called 365 Villas. So I am here at the main website. I'm going to hit login. I have my credentials already loaded. So once I log in, I get this screen with the upcoming month. You can go back and take a look. First thing we want to note is the colors have changed. So now reservations come in this red. Block dates are in purple. Available dates are in white and gray as well. Gray means we sent a quote, but the dates are still available for sale. So it's just I don't know why the software does this, but it gives you a heads up that we made a quote, but this is still available for sale. They haven't paid for it. So first come, first serve. First one to pay for the dates will get the dates. Now, the first big difference and the first big change that we want to announce is that from now onwards, owners are responsible for booking their own stays. Why is that? Because owners are the only ones allowed to record their own stays and modify them. So if you create a booking, the dates that you selected will always be the dates for your booking. We cannot modify those bookings. So to avoid any inconvenience, because owners may say a date and then we might book a different date, we're gonna let the owners manage the bookings. So if you want to book a date for yourself, you select the check-in date, you select the checkout date, and I'm going to select, let's say I want to do from the 7th of April to the 28th, but I'm not allowed because I have a quote. So I'm just going to select any other date that is in white, the 24th, and I'm going to select book. And then I will select until the 28th. So then I'm going to put my name, adults, and hit save. And now I have those dates for myself. These dates are not on sale anymore. None of our staff can modify this reservation. And very importantly, if you create an owner booking, this triggers a departure cleaning order in our housekeeping software. Here, for instance, on March 17th, you see that the guest is leaving and there is a departure cleaning order created on the software. So our housekeeping partner can see that they gotta go and they have to follow the checklist, upload the pictures, and do the cleaning. Whereas when you create a hold, a block on the dates, you can see that there is no cleaning order after checkout. So if we are not very attentive of blocks, it could happen that if you have a guest, the unit could not be cleaned for the following guest because you have no cleaning order. But if you create an owner stay, that triggers a cleaning order. So it's very important that if you stay at the property, you create an owner stay, because first, no one's going to be able to modify those dates, and secondly, you will create a checkout cleaning order. Now, let's say you want to paint the apartment, so you don't need you're gonna need a cleaning anyways, but let's say you want to do maintenance job and you don't want to have guests over, but you want to have people go there and save those dates for the repairs. So then you will create a block. So I'm gonna hit 28, doesn't let me, so I go to the 27 and I hit block, and I'm going to put test. It's going to ask me if I want to override the dates. Oh, it didn't because I didn't select the date. But let's say I want to do the 28th. So I'm going to go to the 30th. It says, do you want to override the quotes? I hit yes. So now I have the block and I have my stay. And this is the way you should record owner states or blocks. So now I'm going to remove this because these are all fake. So I'm going to remove the block. It's gone. And I'm going to remove I could change the dates here. If I wanted to make it shorter, I can save, and this stays shorter, and now I'm going to remove it all together, and it's done. The dates are gone. So this is a proper management that you should do with your calendar. We're not gonna do any more blocks for the owner. We need you to log in. This is not because we don't want to work, we don't want to help you. This is because we want to have the right dates, and the best way to do it is doing it yourself, and no one can touch it. If you have any questions, just let us know.